Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer Amazon gift card balance to your bank account. So to be clear and straight to the point, there is no legal way to directly do that, but today I'm going to show you fast and quickly the legal way to do it. What you're going to do is pick any product that you know it's going to sell quickly, any product in your mind that you can sell it. It could be in different niches like Xbox controller or even clothes or a charger, anything that you know could sell it or you know anyone that need it. You are going to buy it with your Amazon gift card balance. After that, you are going to list it again, and when the customer buy that product, you can withdraw your funds directly to your bank account. Excuse me for yapping, but this is the only way to do it. I don't recommend using third-party services because they are illegal. So this is the only way to do it. Hope this video is helpful. Make sure you subscribe and see you on the next one.